Office za Cherished and Redeemed Ministries ezigwirweho omurakabare nezo kuhwera abana abarukutura n'oburema aha mibiri yabo kandi zombekerwe omuriro rwa Mukundi Ser Central Division omu district ya Kabare.
Ahabukuba abazire bamwe barabisha abana batabahisa aha services ikezi Mishiri munonga kushango yide mwana agiye mureba ukaguma mubikiro munju. My friends, I'm talking about this like it is not good.
How big the need was.
Oku echetengo chabire chirichango bishemo.
I had no skill.
Nkabatine bukugu.
I had no resources.
Nkabatine sente.
But I know that God
Konkali manyango ruhanga.
was able to do exceedingly abundantly.
Ogori kubasa kora ebirenjire kwezeza.
If ever even entered into my imagination.
Akakora ebyo byabire bitakubasa no kutaho umuntu tekateka zanje.
8% of the children we are seeing here are children with cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy, if I might explain in simple terms, is a condition that results from paralysis of the mature brain or the brain which is still young.
Abebembezi basimira batandikireho omwanya ogu kandi borekere ngu ndwija kuhwera bingi omubazire abina abana abarukutura n'oburema aha mibiri yabo.
Iwe yebuze emyaka igane rije mukama yampisa kakirenga na penalty mungana naye kakirenga ndamanya ndandarawezi tikwe ndenda kumugambira iwe mpaho echo rabasa kukorera mu community yawe tikiriwo.
It is what we are supposed to be doing, but in most cases we cannot manage, so we appreciate this work. In fact, when people were giving testimonies, I was saying, these were the last people, these were the best people to get the PDM fund. Mwachulira wachala, kumwamura gamba na yevuze zisete za PDM kuri mwazi, alinga mwazi kwire, zikasa za kuwakore chonga shomno.
Not to be over-expectant. To know that this is something that comes from the sweat and the will of those who are willing to lay a hand. So, ebintu twatura bikora twale abantu barakusupportinga otagira ngo batwakahunga ngo abashegere kutwachi emiche yo wabona kahungo singoha usimbe ruhanga.
Obuhereza obwa Cherished and Redeemed Ministries bukatandika omwaka ogw'2022 omu district ya Kabare. Amakuru aga gashakwa Job Namanya omu Kabare.